BMW M8 2025. The 2025 BMW M8 exemplifies a blend of speed, luxury, and mass. Powered by a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8, this 2-ton car excels in performance, achieving sub-11 second quarter-mile times and over 1.0 G of grip. Available as a coupe or convertible, it offers a luxurious interior with rich leather and a classic BMW design. While it's designated as a 4-seater, the rear seats are best for luggage. The M8 feels solid and substantial, reflecting its grand touring car heritage. For more practicality, consider the 4-door M8 Grand Coupe. The M8's 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 delivers 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic and rear-biased all-wheel drive. It can disengage the front axle for a rear-wheel drive experience. Despite its power, the exhaust note is underwhelming. While the steering feedback and brake feel are lacking, the M8's grip, ride comfort, nimbleness, and acceleration remain impressive for a 2-ton car. The M8's cockpit features rich stitched leather and elegant trim, especially with the optional Merino leather interiors. Standard features include a 12.1-inch digital gauge cluster, heated and ventilated front seats, remote start, ambient lighting, wireless charging, and soft close doors. The rear seats are best for small children or packages, making the M8 Grand Coupe a better option for those needing more space. The trunk can hold 5 carry-on suitcases. The infotainment system is housed in a 12.3-inch touchscreen, controllable via a rotary controller and physical buttons. While the system offers crisp graphics and quick responses, its complexity can be distracting. It supports voice commands and optional gesture controls. Standard tech includes a Wi-Fi hotspot, 16-speaker Harman Kardon audio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.